Welcome back to my channel, everyone. On the menu today we have some carrot juice. Some call it carrot punch, but whatever you call it, stay tuned to see exactly how I make this beauty.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop.
So to make this carrot juice, all I'm going to do is literally boil my carrots. So here I have roughly about 8 large carrots that I've just peeled and cut into chunks, and I'm just going to add it to some water and just let it cook. Now I think I cooked this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now after you cook this, what you need to do is just to leave it on the cooker to just let it cool down completely. Now I'm just literally adding in just a pinch of salt. Now once your carrots has cooled down completely, I'm just going to literally now just start blending. So I'm adding the carrots to my blender, and I'm also going to add just a little bit of the water that the carrot was cooked in. I'm also gonna add a little bit of almond milk. Now when you blend this, it will just form a thick puree, but don't worry about that because we're gonna actually thin it out. If you're new to my channel, guys, thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now what I've added there was just about another 100 ml of almond milk, and I'm also gonna add 2 tins of nourishment. Now this juice, I'm making it completely non-alcoholic, but if you wanted to add, a bottle of dragon stout, a little splash of Uncle Ray, and Uncle Ray white rum, for those who don't understand Uncle Ray Ray and Jamaican Ray and Nephew rum, you can go ahead and put a splash in it, but I'm making this completely non-alcoholic, so I won't be adding anything like that today. Now I don't like the when you put in the nutmeg and the cinnamon, I don't like when it's got too much of the bits in it. So what I did in this video was literally just mix it with some of the carrot liquid and put it in the blender. Once I put it in the blender, I'm just going to add it to the juice. Now it's completely optional how you sweeten your juice, if it needs sweetened, because sometimes the carrots are quite sweet, but I do like to go in with a little bit of condensed milk. You can also add sugar if you want. That's completely optional depending on your sweetness level. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video, and make sure double check that your post notification bells are on so you know when I upload a video. Now all I'm gonna do is just add my little splashes and dashes. So me, I have to have my almond and rosewater concentrate, and I'm also gonna add in a splash of vanilla. Now once you've given this a thorough mix, the thing, just get yourself a glass with some ice and literally just enjoy this delicious drink. Now who wants a glass? Get your glass ready and cheers with me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video and share this video if you possibly can. There you have it, my Jamaican style carrot juice. Thanks again for watching, guys. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.